The curl to press, or what I like to call the big baby, is a pull-push movement. The main movers are the biceps and the shoulders. It can be performed in either the standing position or the seated. And we're going to use either dumbbells or a kettlebell. To set up, we're going to sit or stand with a good tall posture. Chest up, shoulders back, chin tucked, like this. Same as in the standing position. Arms going to hang right off to the sides with the dumbbells. And the first move is we're just going to do a simple curl. Curl the weights up to our shoulders. Second move is the press, pushing straight up overhead. And then just bring those arms back down to the shoulders and back down to the sides. Always keeping that nice tall posture. Keeping that body nice and still and relaxed as the biceps and the shoulders do all the work. For breathing, inhale at the bottom. Exhale as you curl up. Get a quick breath here and press up, exhale. Nice and relaxed. Inhale and exhale. And we want to get about this tempo right here. Nice and slow. For the kettlebell variation, you can see I'm grabbing the kettlebell by the horns. Arms are out in front, between the knees, curling up to the chest and pressing straight up. And for the kettlebell, you see my head raised up to keep an eye on that weight. And that's just because it's a little bit more comfortable on the neck and shoulders.